Unboxing. Tools required for installation. The instruction manual Hastwosids, one for the wall mounted and theatre for the surface mounted. Each model has own 2, 3, or 4 different drawings. You can scan the corresponding QR code according to different products, download the drawings and print them in a 1:1 ratio. Pre-installation preparation. Remove the embedded box. Using an L-shaped wrench, unscrew the screws at the bottom of the outdoor station by about 4 mm. There's no need to remove them completely. Lift the decorative frame from below and remove it. Next, remove all modules. Start by pinching the 2 clasps on the module towards the center using your fingers to unclasp them. Apply gradual force on both sides of the module to slowly pull it out. For audio-video modules or nameplate modules that are difficult to remove by hand due to strong fixation, so we need to use the pry bar. Insert the flat end into the grooves above and below the clasp. Pry the module out. Repeat this process once or twice to remove the module. After removing the modules, the remaining part is the surface-mounted bracket. Installation steps. Step 1. Fix the embedded box. First, affix the printed template onto the wall at the planned location. Adjust its position ensuring vertical alignment, and channel into the wall following the black bold lines on the template. Once the channeling is done, remove and discard the template. Secure the embedded box onto the wall using screws, adhesive, or cement. Knock out the pre-scored holes in the wall box, pull the wires out. The wires that have already been threaded out in the video. Step 2. Fix the wall-mounted bracket. Take out the wall-mounted bracket and the screws. Organize the cables and pass them through underneath the wiring base where the audio-video module will be installed. Align the bracket with the embedded box, pay attention to the direction, and fasten the screws to fix the bracket in the embedded box. Insert each wire into the corresponding terminal hole and fasten the screws. Step 3. Install the modules. Take out the modules and make the arrow on the back pointing upwards. Align the semicircular column on the module with the semicircular holes on wall-mounted bracket. After alignment, press the module in parallel with a little force, and the installation is done when you hear 2 clicks. Step 4. Install the wall-mounted decorative frame. Take out the decorative frame. Pay attention to the direction. Place the short side with the notch downward. Tilt the frame so that the upper part of the buckle matches the buckle on the wall-mounted bracket, and then straighten the frame so that it fits with the bracket. Take out the L-shaped screwdriver and tighten the screws at the bottom of the outdoor station to complete the installation. Disassembly steps. Step 1. Remove the decorative frame. Use an L-shaped wrench to unscrew the screws at the bottom of the outdoor station by approximately 4 mm. There is no need to completely remove them. Lift the decorative frame from below and remove it. Step 2. Disassemble the modules. First, use your hands to pinch the 2 buckles on the module in the center to release it, and then pull it out. If it is an audio-video module or a nameplate card reader module, it is difficult to pull it out with bare hands due to its strong fixation. In this case, you need to use the slotted screwdriver or other stick with a flat head and insert the flat head into the slot of the buckle, pry the module out with force, and then pry out the other side as well. Repeat this step 1/2 times, the module can be removed. Step 3. Install the required modules, refer to the previous instructions, and finally, attach the decorative frame, refer to the previous instructions. Replace the label. First, remove the surface-mounted decorative frame. Please refer to previous steps. Insert a slotted screwdriver or other stick with a flat head into the buckle of the button, circled part of the above figure, whose label needs to be replaced. Pry open the buckle and remove the label cover. Turn to the back of the label cover, use a tool or fingernail to pull the silicone pad from one end, remove the silicone pad, remove the original label, replace the new label. Be careful to distinguish between front, back, and orientation, as the arrows on the label cover shown. The long side should be put into the label cover first. Note the side of silicone pad with larger area towards the outside, and then flatten the silicone pad. Put the label cover back to the outdoor station. Pay attention to the direction as the label or the arrows on cover indicated. The same goes for replacing the label of the nameplate card reader module. Finally, install the surface-mounted decorative frame.